Всем привет, меня зовут Настя, и сегодня у нас будет распаковка гритинга XG. Заказывала я его с Японии через магазин Лавка Shop. К сожалению, внутренности не сильно пережили транспортировку, но на самом деле ничего не повредилось. Я так понимаю, что просто порвался пакетик, и из-за него вот этот календарь весь рассыпался. Ну, немножко помялась наклейка, но на самом деле это не очень страшно.
Yummy, yummy out the pot. Rolling deep and we in town. You ain't know you're learning now. They say you're so fly, oh my god. Cruise so tight, they know we unlock. Trip so cold, we styling like ice. Cruise so bold, we stupid on sight. Don't you let these pretty faces fool you. Savage underneath. There's no limit, nothing that we can do. Whatever the problem, we know how to solve them. Workflow, what's the game? Never big fights with the girl gang. All of my ladies are fire. Rolling with princess, a female empire. Workflow, hustle game. Never pick fights with the girl gang. All of my ladies are fire. Rolling with princess, a female empire. Heavy hitters, get go winners. Put 'em up for the realest. Ooh, the way we shine is always burning. Ooh, they gonna see us when we come in. Workflow, hustle game. Never big fights with a girl gang. All of my ladies are fire. Rolling with princess, a female empire. Workflow, hustle game. Never pick fights with a girl gang. All of my ladies are fire. Rolling with princess, a female empire. Hard every day. Me and my girls ain't here to play. Baddest, baddest, yeah. Baddest, ooh. Hit us be a different kind of body. That type of girl don't got inside.